Welcome to the Bloom Schools. When did you have your breakfast? I had my breakfast on the way. When did you finish your work? I finished my work at 5 p.m. Are you ready? No, I am not yet ready. Any tickets left? Yes, very few tickets are left. May I speak to Mr. Tom, please? Mr. Tom is in the meeting. Can you fill this form for me? Yes, but what form is this? Do you like to go for a walk? Yes, but I usually go for a walk in the morning. Are you going to your office? No, today I have some other appointment. Do you like to have some coffee or tea? I like to have some coffee. Is London a beautiful place? Yes, it is a beautiful place. When can I meet you? You can meet me tomorrow. Have you seen it before? No, I've never seen that before. How long have you been here? I have been here since 5 days. Are you happy about it? Yes, I'm very happy about it. Is she famous? Yes, she is very famous. Is everything ready? Yes, almost everything is ready. Have you arrived? No, not yet. Will arrive within few minutes. Do you have a digital camera? No, I have an ordinary camera. Where should I go? Go straight and then make a turn towards the left. Do you know how to use it? No, I don't know how to use it. How was the food? The food was very delicious. What are you doing? I am cleaning my room. Thank you for watching.